Hello everyone, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I go about sublimating a mouse pad. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so here's just a quick clip of me designing my design in Silhouette Studio. This is a design that I'm going to be placing on the mouse pad, and then here are the settings that I use to print my design. And once everything is set the way I want it, then I'm just going to go ahead and hit print, and then off to the printer it goes. So I am just going to go ahead and speed through this clip. Everything that I am using in this video, I will go ahead and leave linked in the description box for y'all guys. I am using my Epson 2720 printer along with my Cosmos inks and my Ace of paper. Alrighty, and then this is what the design looks like once it's printed. The colors are still very, very bright, very vibrant, and they only get brighter when pressed onto the sublimation blank. Alrighty, so I will be using my butcher paper, some scissors, my sublimation blank mouse pad, my design, and then some heat transfer tape. Alrighty, so then what I'm going to go ahead and do is just grab my Ace of paper, my design, and then trim off the excess that I'm not going to be using. And then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my blank and then put that on top of the design, and then just align everything to make sure everything is nice and correct, so that way whenever I press it down, everything gets color transferred onto. So there's no right or wrong way to this. I just make sure I take my time, place everything and align everything correctly, and then once I am satisfied, I grab some heat transfer tape and then tape that all around the edges just to make sure it doesn't move during the pressing process. Alright, and then once everything is aligned, I go ahead and grab a piece of butcher paper and then place my design on that, and then I just ensure that everything is nice and aligned and correct, because there's nothing worse than skipping this step and then pressing and then having like a white spot on your sublimation blank. So I'm just double checking everything, making sure everything is correct, adding some more pieces of heat transfer tape just to ensure a better, more secure fit. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fold my paper right on over, press that down, and then I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over so that way my image is on top, so that way that is what's going to be pressed with the heat press. So this mouse pad sublimation blank does call for medium pressure, so I'm just going to go ahead and adjust my heat press to medium pressure. Alright, and now that everything is where I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and close my heat press. I did set it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds, so I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through this process. Alrighty, and then once those 60 seconds have passed, I'm going to go ahead and just open my heat press. Be careful, this is very hot. Do we see all the steam that just flew out? I peeled it on back, and then this is what it looks like. Be careful, this is very, very hot. I do recommend using those heat protecting gloves. Alrighty, and then this is what it ended up looking like. What do you think? If you have any questions at all, if I missed anything at all, then let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a great one.